How's it going, guys? And today's video is kind of a bit late. Sorry about that. So this is basically just me trying out a bike for the first time ever, thanks to Jason, and we are planning on doing bike vlogs for the future. So this is basically just a taster. We were trying out different angles of the GoPro. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Like I said, there's nothing wild to expect from this. I met two kids. I think that they subscribed to my channel already. If you guys did, shout out to you guys. But yeah, there was some mistakes made with the bike. But yeah, it was my first time driving, so kudos to me. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Just doing a timer.
There we go.
That's it.
That's neutral. It's not going to pull away, it's in neutral.
Oh, sorry, yeah.
Remember, check this light here. Now it's in first. Now you do the slow twist and let go. That first pull away is always the hardest.
Switch off myself. Okay. Is it recording?
Yes.
No way.
So now do your pull away.
Oh. This is what I do not want to happen. Nee man. Had my first incident, well, not so bad incident. Had my second incident. Yeah.
Just do exactly the same thing.
Yeah. Ach nee man.
I think you need to give a little bit more gas.
Yeah.
What I used to do in the beginning, I give it like a, what you call a bluff. It's when
Hazard. Hazard.
GoPro.
Yeah.
Hello. Can I wave to the GoPro?
Yeah.
Are you a YouTuber?
Trying to be.
Nice.
Trying to be. Hey?
What's your channel?
Glitch out.
Excuse me?
Glitch out.
Okay. Peace out.
Yes. Sweet shot. Wat? Gooi hom in. Bunch of things, bunch of different things actually. So it's nothing specifically. Sweet. Same to you. Ah. Ja man. Oeh, daar is hij, daar is hij.